Hello everyone! I'm Daisy, and today we are going to draw a big police car with loud sirens together. Grab your pencils and paper and come join me! Now, let's draw its wheels. Let's draw its doors and windows. Now, let's draw the hood. Let's draw the sheriff's star badge and the car's grille. Once upon a time, in a place called Friendly Town, the sun was shining bright. The sky was as blue as a blueberry, and the grass was as green as a broccoli. Down the main street, a very special car was rolling along. Roll, roll, roll. It was Sheriff Siren Sam. Sam wasn't an ordinary police car. He was painted a beautiful bright yellow, just like a big banana. On his doors, it said "Police" in big, bold letters, so everyone knew he was there to help. And right on his hood, he wore a beautiful golden star badge. As Sam rolled past the town park, he heard a tiny sound. Sniff, sniff. Boo-hoo! Sam stopped his wheels. Screech! He looked over and saw Barnaby Bunny sitting under a big oak tree. Barnaby was crying. "What's wrong, Barnaby?" asked Sheriff Siren Sam with a warm smile. "My shiny red balloon got stuck way up in the branches," Barnaby cried, pointing to the top of the tree. "I can't reach it." "Don't worry, my little friend. Sheriff Siren Sam is on the case," Sam said. Sam didn't have arms, but he had a super cool, long, wiggly radio antenna on his back. Sam backed up, wiggled his antenna, and stretched it way, way up into the green leaves. Stretch, 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 boop! The antenna gently hooked the balloon string.
Yellow!
Sam pulled it down and gave it back to Barnaby. "Yay! Thank you, Sheriff Siren Sam!" cheered Barnaby, hopping up and down. Sam's red and blue lights flashed happily. Blink, blink, blink. Sam rolled down the street again. Vroom, vroom. Suddenly, he saw trouble ahead. The big traffic light at the busy crosswalk was broken. The lights weren't green, yellow, or red. They were just dark. Old Mrs. Turtle was standing at the sidewalk, holding her grocery bag. She wanted to cross the street to go home, but the big trucks and fast cars were zooming by. Zoom, whoosh, vroom. Mrs. Turtle was too scared to move. "Time for some real police teamwork," said Sheriff Siren Sam. Sam drove right into the middle of the street. He turned on his big, loud siren. Can you make the sound with me? Woo! Woo! View, view, view! He flashed his red and blue lights as bright as fireworks. Flash, flash, flash!
Red!
All the big trucks stopped. All the fast cars stopped. Everything went quiet. Sheriff Siren Sam looked at Mrs. Turtle and winked his shiny headlight. "Safe to cross, Mrs. Turtle. Take your time." Mrs. Turtle walked across the street. Step, step, step. Very slowly, but with a big smile on her face. When she reached the other side, she waved her little green hand. "Thank you, Sheriff Siren Sam. You are my hero." The sun began to set, turning the sky into a warm orange blanket. It was time for Sheriff Siren Sam to go home to the police station. His tires were tired and his engine was sleepy. He parked in his cozy garage, turned off his shiny lights, and closed his eyes. He felt happy inside because he helped his friends today. Good night, Friendly Town. And goodnight, Sheriff Siren Sam. Honk, shh, honk, shh. Hi everyone, I'm Daisy. Today, how about we draw a rocket that will take us on interstellar journeys? It's very easy. Grab your paper and pencils and draw along with me. First, let's draw the cabin where our astronauts will travel. Now, let's separate the emergency launch compartment of our rocket. Now, let's draw 2 windows in the passenger cabin. Don't forget the stabilizing fins, one on the left and one on the right. Finally, let's draw the power unit and the heat source so that our rocket can move. Let's all get ready for launch! Now, let's bring our rocket to life with magical colors. Because this isn't an ordinary rocket. It is the magic rocket. Yellow! Look at its body. It is bright yellow, just like a happy, smiling sun. Red. Blue. And look at its wings. They are beautiful blue, like a deep, calm ocean. But wait, the magic rocket had a big problem. It wanted to fly to space, but it didn't have enough energy. Suddenly, whoosh, the magical markers touched the paper. Look at the back. A warm, dancing red and yellow fire started to burn. Crackle, crackle, zoom! The engine was ready. Red! But there was still one missing piece. The rocket needed a special spark to open the secret doors of the universe. Then came the magic brush. Brush, brush, brush. It painted the nose of the rocket with shiny gold. It was so bright, it looked like a real star. With its golden nose, blue wings, and yellow body, the magic rocket was finally alive. Yellow! Are you ready to count down? Let's do it together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! The magic rocket flew high into the dark blue sky, leaving a trail of beautiful rainbow dust behind. It was heading to a secret planet made entirely of gold and stars. See you in the next video, kids!